It's draw time! Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. Today we are going to draw a big, fluffy and super cool lion. Rah! But don't worry, this lion is a friendly lion, not a scary one. He might just want a hug and a snack. Have you ever seen a lion at the zoo? I think lions are like big sleepy kitties. Cute question time. Do lions brush their teeth with a toothbrush? Maybe they use a giant banana brush. Ha ha, silly lions. Look at that fluffy mane. Wow! It's like the lion is wearing a big fuzzy hair hat. If I had that hair, I would never need a pillow. I could just sleep on my head. This lion is the king of the jungle. But today, he is the king of draw time. Roar, our lion is finished. He's the king of draw time today. Thick lines time. This makes our lion pop and stand out like a king of the jungle. Wow, he's getting ready for his colourful adventure. Wow, look at that! Our lion is full of bright colours. He looks like a rainbow lion in the jungle. It's colouring time. This is the exciting part. Our lion is going to look amazing. Colour green. This tree branch looks like a long arm reaching out to say, "Hello lion, high five." Maybe the lion will try to high five the branch, but the branch will say, "Oops, I don't have fingers." That would be so silly. If I were this branch, I would wave to everyone in the jungle all day long. Does the tree like our lion? Yes, the tree gives the lion shade, so he stays cool and happy. Trees help us breathe because they make clean air. Trees are like superheroes with leaves instead of capes. Thank you, trees, for helping people and animals. What if this branch is actually a jungle slide for tiny ants and bugs? They climb up and then go, whee, sliding down. Ants in the jungle water park. So funny. I think the lion might watch them and say, "Be careful, little ants." Does the branch like hugs? Yes, trees love gentle hugs, but we must be very careful and kind. This branch is like a seat for birds. Birds sit here, sing songs, and look at the jungle. Maybe the lion listens and thinks the birds are a jungle band. Colour brown. Wow, look at all this hair. Our lion's mane is so big and fluffy. I think it could hide a whole basket of kittens in there. Maybe even a tiny jungle party. Do you know why the lion has such a big mane? It's because he likes to wear a fluffy crown. Isn't that funny? Every lion wants to feel like a king, even when he's taking a nap in the sun. Did you know a lion's mane is like a super shield? When lions play rough, it protects their heads and necks. It's like wearing a helmet made of soft clouds. When the lion shakes his head, his mane goes swish, swish. Imagine if you could swish your hair like that. Whoosh! Everyone in the jungle would cheer. Time to colour lion's ears. Look at those cute little ears. They're like tiny jungle hats on top of our lion's head. I wonder if the lion wears them to listen to bird songs every morning. Do lion ears like music? Of course. When the wind blows through the trees, the ears dance and wiggle to the jungle tunes. Did you know lion ears are super sensitive? They can hear tiny noises far away, even when they're napping. Like little jungle microphones. Colour pink. I think the lion uses his ears to hear jokes from the monkeys. Knock, knock. Who's there? Roar. Ha ha, silly ears. Always listening. Look at our lion. He looks like a big fluffy kitty. Maybe he thinks he is a house cat and wants to sit on a tiny pillow. Imagine a big lion on a tiny pillow. Boing, boing, the pillow would say, "Oh no, you're too heavy." That would be so silly and funny. Our lion might also try to chase a butterfly and say, "Wait for me." But he is too big and slow. Silly, adorable lion, ha 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 ha. Can the lion play games? Yes, he can play tag with other animals. But he runs slowly and says, "Wait for me, I am a big kitty." Lions are called the king of the jungle, but they actually live in places with grass and trees called savannas. They are very strong and brave animals, but they also love to relax and rest in the shade. Our lion looks very friendly and calm, just enjoying a nice day in the jungle. Colour red. Look at the birds flying in the sky. They're adorable. I think they're friends of our lion. Time for our lion's tale. When lions play with each other, they swish their tails around to show happiness or excitement. Look at ours swish swish. Isn't that fun to colour? Time to colour our lion's feet. I bet our lion uses his feet to dance in the mud sometimes. Stomp, slide, wiggle. Look at those happy paws. Can lions clap with their paws? Only in our imagination. Clap, clap, clap. Let's imagine the lion is cheering for us while we colour. A lion can run super fast with those big feet, like a race car with furry tires zooming through the grass. And that's super cool. Lions use their feet to dig little holes when they want to take a nap, or sometimes to hide their snacks. Does the lion brush his teeth? Yes, he uses a giant toothbrush made from a tree branch. Colour yellow. Our lion has big squishy paws. I think they could make the softest, fluffiest footprints ever. Stomp, stomp. I can almost hear it. Did you know lion paws are soft underneath, but their claws are strong? Perfect for jungle games and climbing over rocks. What if this lion loves to eat ice cream? He might hold a giant cone and say, "Roar, this is cold." Then the ice cream falls on his nose and he says, "Oops." A lion with ice cream on his nose would be so funny and cute. Maybe he likes mango flavor because he lives near trees. We're almost done. Hooray! Our lion looks amazing. Our lion is the king of the jungle, and he's looking so proud. Thank you for colouring, laughing, and having fun with me today. If you want to see more cute animals and colourful adventures, don't forget to subscribe, friends. See you next time for another Draw Time fun.